Now that we know our process for both long division and synthetic division, I want to look at an application of why on earth, again, do we really need to know how to divide polynomials. This polynomial, x to the third plus 7x squared minus 38x minus 240, should say v equals, expresses the volume of a box with width x plus 5. We want to know what are the other dimensions, really what is a possible value for our other dimensions. So to give us an idea of what is going on here, I'm going to draw a box. And I again know this whole function represents my volume. All I know is that the width of my box is x plus 5. I don't know my length, I don't know my height, but I do know that volume equals length times width times height. And if I know this is my width, this whole thing, my volume, equals my width times my length times my height. I just need to figure out what this is. And one way I can do that is to do division. I can take x to the third plus 7x squared minus 38x minus 240 divided by x plus 5 and go from there. Since this is a linear factor, we can use synthetic division. You can use long division if you want to, but again, since this is linear, we can use synthetic division. To start off, writing our coefficients down, I have 1x to the third, 7x squared, minus 38x, minus 240, x plus 5, so negative 5 goes in my box. Bring down our first value, and now we go. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. Add down. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Add down. Negative 48 times negative 5 is 240. Add down, we get 0. Which is nice, because that means we have a remainder. We have no remainder. Again, this is my 1s, my x's, my x squareds. I always like to do this just because it's easier to put the pieces together at the end. We get x squared plus 2x minus 48. Now this is supposed to give me my length times my height. Let's see if this factor is more. And this does. Okay, if we think of what numbers multiply to negative 48 and add to 2, x plus 8 and x minus 6. Okay. Which means the dimensions of my box are x plus 8 by x minus 6 by the original x plus 5.